tangential galvanometer and tangent law. Tangent law. We are now discussing about what is tangent law. The law is state that when a magnetic needle or a magnet is freely suspended in a two mutually perpendicular uniform magnetic field, it will come to rest in the direction of resultant of two field. What is the meaning is that? Listen here. I am standing here in the earth. We all are behave like that. We all are assuming like that. Earth is a magnet. Am I right? Earth is the isolation body. It is also a magnet. That means the earth have a north and south pole. The earth north pole is called as geographical north and earth south pole is called as geographical south. You already studied in the smaller classes. I will remembering you what is that. Utkarsh sitting properly. So maybe this is Earth. Okay. This is the north pole and south pole of the Earth. That means geographical north and geographical south. Okay. I am taking another bar magnet in my hand. So Earth is also a magnet, north and south है. मेरे हाथ में दूसरा एक magnet है. How do the magnet is behave? Earth का north का side में magnet का south आ जाऊँगा. Earth का south का side में magnet का north आ जाऊँगा. Am I right? So I am taking another magnet. This is the south pole of the magnet because this is the north. This is the north pole of the magnet. This is the south. Is much clear, everyone? This is the basic idea. This earth magnetic field is called as BH, horizontal magnetism. So you can see here a BH. What is the meaning of BH? Earth is a magnet means it have a magnetic field. So earth magnetic field is denoted by BH. What is the BH? Horizontal magnetism. Otherwise earth का magnetic field. Clear everyone? Okay. Listen here. समझ करने का थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है. Listen properly. You can. It's very easy. Simplest way से मैं starting से भी explain करके आ रहा है. Geographical north, geographical south. Magnet is just opposite of that, and that magnetic field is called as BH, horizontal magnetic field. Clear everyone? So every place we have to go to America, England, Japan, Ukraine or anywhere. Chhattisgarh also, earth magnetic field is present. So इधर एक earth magnetic field BH है. Clear? I am taking another magnet here. In the earth magnetic field अकेले है तो मैं दूसरा एक magnet डालिया. This magnet move करेगा और rest करेगा. Magnet को कुछ deflection हो जाएगा? कुछ नहीं. Only one magnetic field is there. इस magnetic field का north इधर है तो south इधर बन जाऊँगा. Magnetic field का south इधर है तो north इधर बन जाऊँगा. This magnet is at rest. Magnet at rest. Just like the north and south alignment. Clear everyone? Okay. This is the normal condition. Then our tangent law is this BH is also in the x-axis. Another magnetic field in the y-axis. So if BH is here, BH is almost present. I am creating another magnetic field in the vertical way. So y-axis में मेरा created magnetic field है, x-axis में earth का magnetic field है. Both are mutually perpendicular भी है. So that is our word. The magnetic needle or magnet is freely suspended in two mutually perpendicular uniform magnetic field. Okay, so two mutually perpendicular uniform magnetic field है. B created magnetic field, BH earth magnetic field. इतना समझ गया? इसके साइड में, इसका स्पेस में, इस स्पेस में मैं एक दूसरा मैग्नेट को फ्रीली सस्पेंड कर दिया. सस्पेंड मतलब हैंगिंग कर दिया. फिर दूसरा मैग्नेट को मैं हैंगिंग कर दिया. So this magnet is resting a movement है, almost moving because इधर से एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, इधर से भी एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. So two magnetic field in the same plane. This magnet is start to deflect. So deflect करके at the one point that come to rest just like a resultant force. समझ गया ना? I repeat once more. Both are mutually perpendicular. दूसरा मैग्नेट को हम लोग perpendicular डालते हैं तो freely suspend करते हैं तो that magnet is start to vibrate, deflect, knocks out. which statement करना चाहिए? After some time, it is show a rest condition at the resultant of the magnetic field. सही है ना? दोनों का resultant में rest हो जाएगा, just like a inclined condition. Maybe north कहाँ है तो उधर, south इधर है तो इधर. That depends on the magnetic field. Clear everyone? This is called as
tangential
का statement. So listen here. Either magnet is rest in this way and just draw a perpendicular line here. Clear everyone? And I'm just marking a theta. And this is my theta. This is my theta. So what is this? इस line क्या है? B. This line क्या है? BH. So देखो right angle triangle मिल रहा है ना आप लोगों को. इधर थीटा है तो इधर B, इधर BH. So right angle triangle है तो I can take a trigonometric function tan theta. So what is the expression of tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. Am I right? This theta का opposite side क्या है? B. So tan theta equal to B divided by BH. Am I right? So this expression is called as tangential law. From this expression, I want to find out B. What is B? BH tan theta. B equal to BH tan theta. Tangent law clear होगा सबको? Idea मिला? Pause the video. Stop the video.